Yeah, good morning, guys. Let's get started. So, those who are watching in YouTube, yesterday was the last demo class, but based on some students' request, we are extending by one more day. Okay. Now, let's quickly look at what we have learned yesterday. Yesterday, we started looking at two-way merging, correct? So, two-way merging. What is the prerequisite for two-way merging, or what exactly a two-way merging is? What is two-way merging? I think someone is speaking, but I can't hear you. The voice is very slow. So in order to perform the two-way merging, the prerequisite is to have the two sorted arrays, right? So the minimum things are like we need two sorted arrays. And then what are the way we are doing is we are comparing the element from the first array with the element in the second array. Whichever is smaller, that we are moving it to a resultant array and then going to the next element, right? So in this way, the time complexity would be less. Now yesterday we have seen the algorithm, let's write the code. So why are we discussing this one? Because the merge sort will be depending on the two-way merging. Let me create a new class, two-way merging. Okay. Let's write main method. So now let's create int a equal to, let's take the same numbers that we have tried yesterday. 1, 5, 9, 11, 15. 1, comma, 5, comma, 9, comma, 11, comma, 15. I am creating one more array B. 2, comma, 4, comma, 6, comma, 8, 8, comma, 10. You can have duplicates also. That shouldn't be a problem. If you are having a duplicate in the sorted array, that two numbers will come one after the other. That's the only thing. Public void. I'm writing a two-way merge. So this two-way merge should take two arrays, correct? So I'm writing the int a, or you can take the array names anything. It's a local variable, right? It can be anything. Okay. Now, first, what are we doing? I said that I'm taking a length int m equal to a dot length, right? Int n equal to b dot length. Now, what is the size of the C array? Can someone tell me? What is the size of C array?
A dot length plus B dot length.
Yeah, a dot length plus b dot length. Okay, done. Now, so let me take int I equal to 0 to iterate over the A array, j equal to 0 to iterate over the B array, k equal to 0 to iterate over the C array. So if you want to declare a multiple variables in a single line, you have to do like this, like with a comma separated. Okay. Now, so what are we doing first? I am comparing with what did I do? I am comparing with 1 and 2, right? 1 is nothing but 1 is present in a array, 2 is present in a B array. So these are 0th position. So how can I do? I can write a code like this. If A of 0 is less than B of 0. If the condition is true, if the condition is true, that means if it is true, what is a smaller value? A of 0 is a smaller value. We should move it to, we should move it to C array, right? Now, but in the C array, where do you place it? C of 0, correct? Because the first element of an array should be going to the 0. C of 0 equal to A of 0. Okay, done. But now next time, now this, so I have done the comparison. But after that, what you need to do? 1 less than 2, you move to 1. And then what you need to do? You need to compare 5 and 2. In order to go to 5, what you need to do? You need to increment the pointer and then you need to recursive. You need to call the code again. So that's the reason what I will do is I am writing this code within the while loop. While I less than M and J less than N. What is I and J? I and J are the indexes for A and B array. So I'm putting this logic within the loop. Now, so now if even if I'm putting like this, if I'm hard coding the 0, always 0th index will be compared. But what I want, once this 192 is completed, I want to go to 5. So instead of that, 0 and 1, so I'm putting I and I'm putting J. Now, if A of I is less than B of J, that means A of I is smaller. Then A of I want to move it to C array. For C, I am taking a variable called K. Now, after that, what I need to do? Next time, if you want to go, you need to go to the 5. How can you go to 5? 5 is currently it is present in one index. So, I will do I plus plus K plus plus. Correct? Do you guys agree?
Yeah.
Now next, what happened now? I value will become 1. A of 1 is nothing but 5. 5 less than 2. Is it true? Now second time, 5 less than 2. Is it true? No, false.
False.
Then what I will do? I have to go to the else part, correct? Else. Now in the else part, if I am going to the else part, which is a smaller element? B of J, correct? B of J is the smaller, so I am moving. I am moving it to K. C of K. Again, I need to do I plus plus K plus plus. Okay. Now, so if you look at here, K plus plus is the increment is present in the if block and K plus plus is present in the else block. So can I keep outside of a if and else then instead of repeating this code? Yes or no? You can keep like this also, but can I keep here? If I keep here, can I say it is whether you go to the if block or whether you go to the else block after completion of that corresponding block, this K plus plus will be incremented, right? That means I am removing the unwanted code, correct? Now, whenever this loop is broken, yesterday we have seen, right? Whenever the J value is 5, 5 less than 5, the loop will broke. Then there may be some elements left over in the array that are nothing but 11, 15. So now in order to copy that, what I need to do? While I less than M, C of K equal to A of I and I plus plus K plus plus. Now, there may be, sometimes it may happen that J may have more value. So, I am putting same thing, J less than N.
Sir, at the line number 26, J plus plus we have to increment, right? Instead of I plus plus.
Line number? Yes, yes, yes.
26.
Yes, yes, you are right. So, J plus plus. Now, let us do the manual debug and see what happens. Now, this is a program. Let us do the manual debug. Now, initially, all the I, J, K are 0, correct? Done. Now, let's put a breakpoint here. Now, what is the size? What is the value of M? A dot length. What is the length of A?
5.
5. Yeah. 5 length, A dot length means 5. Now, B dot length is 5, right? Now, so here, what is the condition? Does it look like 0 less than 5 and 0 less than 5, correct? Both I and J are 5. So, can I say both the conditions are true? Yes, it will go. Now, what does it will look like? A of 0 is less than B of 0, correct? Both I and J are 0. Now, whenever I equal to 0 and J equal to 0, what is the A of 0? 1, correct? 1 less than 2. Is it true? Yes. Then what are you doing? In C array, you are moving. Currently in the C array, at 0th position, what do you move? A of I, which is nothing but 1. Okay. Now, and then you are doing I plus plus. Then I will become 1. And will it go to the else part? No, because you went into the if, it will not go to the else part. And then K plus plus. K will become 1, right? Now, so here 1, now the condition again. 1 less than 5 and 0 less than 5. Is it true? Yes. Now you are doing A of 1 and B of 0. A of 1 is nothing but what? 5. 5 less than 2. Is it true? No. You will go to the else part. See, currently already you have C of 0 equal to 1. Now here, C of k. What is the k value now? Just we incremented to 1, correct? C of 1 equal to B of j. B of j is nothing but 2. And then j plus plus. J will become 1. And k plus plus. K will become 2. Are you guys following me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Others, can you please respond if you are able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now j has become 1, correct? Now 1 less than 5 and here also 1 less than 5. Both are true. Now what happens? A of 1 and B of 1. What is the value of A of 1 and B of 1? 5, 4, correct? B of 1. 5 less than 4. Is it true?
No.
No. It will go to the else part. In the else part, C of, what is the k value? 2. Correct? Now let's do C of 2 equal to 4. They are putting. And then j plus plus j will become 2. And k plus plus k will become 3. Now again, 1 less than 5 and 2 less than 5. Is it true? Yes. A of 1 and B of 2. Now the array looks like, let me copy this array here and comment it so that we don't need to go up every time now. So A of 1 is nothing but 5 and B of 2 is nothing but 0, 1, 2, which is nothing but 6. 5 less than 6. Is it true? Yes. Then what I will do, C of k. K value is 3. You can see the updated value I am putting here. C of 3 equal to A of I. A of I is nothing but what? A of 1, which is nothing but 5. And then I plus plus. I will become 2 and k plus plus. K will become 4. Right? Now 2 less than 2, 2 less than 5 and 2 less than 5 both are true. Right? Now A of 2 less than B of 2. A of 2 is nothing but 9. Correct? 9 less than 6. Is it true? No. It will go to else part. The else part, C of what is the k value? 4. C of 4 equal to 6. Correct? B of j. Now j plus plus. J will become 3 and k will become 5. Now 2 less than 5 and 3 less than 5. Is it true? Yes. Now A of 2 and B of 3. What is the value of B of 3? 0, 1, 2, 3, 8. 9 less than 8. Is it true?
No.
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 It will go now. C of 5. Correct? K value is 5. C of 5 equal to 8. And then j plus plus. J will become, sorry, j already became 3, right? 3. J will become 4 now. And then k plus plus. K will become 6. Okay. Now, the condition looks like 2 less than 5 and 4 less than 5. It is true. A of 2 less than B of 4. What is the B of 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. 9 less than 10. Is it true? Yes. Then your C of 6 equal to, you will move 9. Correct? And then I plus plus. I will become 3 and K will become 7. Done. 3 less than 5. Is it true? Yes. Now, A of 3. What is the value of A of 3? 11. Now, 11 less than 10. Is it true? No. Then you will go to the else part and C of 7 equal to 10. And then J plus plus. J will become 5. And K plus plus. K will become 8. Now, if you look at here, the condition 3 less than 5 and 5 less than 5. Is this condition true?
No.
No. Now, the condition is broken. That means, can I say it will come out of the loop?
Yeah.
So, when the condition is broken, what does it mean? Can I say I have completely iterated for the J loop? I mean, for the B array, it is completely exhausted and complete, iterated, correct? But in the I, did we complete the I iterations? No. We
No.
are at 3 only. Now, whenever you are breaking this loop, what does it mean? You have some elements either in the A array or B array, correct?
Yes.
Now, in this scenario, we have the elements in which array? A array. So, for A, I am using an index as I. Now, if you look at here, I less than M. What is I value? 3 only, correct? 3 less than 5. Is it true?
Yes.
Now, C of K. C of what is the K value? 8. C of K equal to A of 3. A of 3 is nothing but 11. I'm moving. and then I plus plus, I will become 4, and then C of K plus plus also have done. So K will become 9. C of 9 equal to A of 5, which is nothing but A of 4, which is nothing but 15. Done. Now I plus plus and K plus plus. Then I will become 5. Now 5 less than 5, it will be false, correct?
Yes.
Now it will come out of the loop. Done. Now, but now I have written this loop also. Why did I write? Because I do not know, either A array might have more elements or B array might have more elements. In this example, A array is having more elements, right? Now J less than N. When I say J less than N, what is the value of J? 5. 5 less than 5. Is it true?
Yes.
5 less than 5. It is false, correct? It will not go inside this loop. So that means, though I have written 3 while loops, at any point of time, how many while loops will execute? Only 2, right? Now, if you look at what is the C array, see C of 0, C of 1, C of 2, C of 3, C of 4, C of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means C array is having a indexes 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means what is the size? 10. So that is what? 5 plus 5, correct? Now let me print the C array. Sys out.
So line number
Array
38, there will be B of J.
line number 38.
Sorry, not 40.
Yeah. Yes, correct. You're right. So arrays.toString, I'm just putting C array. Okay, now let's call this program from main method. Let me make it as a static. Two-way merge A comma B. See, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, correct? Now, let's look at the sorting. Now here, how many times this loop might execute? Either M times or N times, correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Can I say it should be lesser than M plus N only?
Yeah.
Yeah. That means worst scenario, let us take M is a bigger value. So N is a smaller value. So now here, how many, if you look at this one, the A array size is 5, B array size is 5. How many times the maximum times that this while loop is executed? 5 less than 5. That means 5 times, correct?
Yeah.
So this is executed for 5 times. What is the value? So can I take the value as N? N is 5, correct? Done. Now, and how many times this loop will execute? Only 2 times. Worst scenario, 5, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, and will this be executed? Only one will execute. Now, what is the time complexity of this? Maximum big O of N only, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's the beauty of writing the code like this. Any questions? Yeah. Do we have anyone newly joined today? Shiva and Sanjib Jana, are you guys the newly joined?
Yes, sir.
So have you gone through the previous videos?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you aware of the course content, etc.?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I mean, fee details, everything. Have you watched in YouTube?
Oh, yes, sir. I'm watching.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So so today will be the last demo class, guys. If you are interested, you can do the enrollment. So let me show you that enrollment email. See, last class, some of you guys said that you haven't received an email. So I hope you guys have received an email yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the backup videos, guys. I'm just pinging that all the backup videos in the chat. Okay. Now, if you would like to enroll, please do it today. I have so yesterday was the last class, but some of the people might do the enrollment in the night. So in order for not to them miss the class, I have extended for today, guys. So if you would like to enroll, you can do the transfer on this account and on this Google Pay number. and you can send a screenshot to this one. You will get a confirmation email and then you will be added to one WhatsApp group. And I will be sharing the notes, whatever the code I have written so far. Any questions? Anyone? Okay. Now, whatever we have discussed is two-way merging is fine. Now, but before merge sort, why are we discussing two-way merging? Let's look at. I will not be able to complete the merge sort, but I'll tell you the what is the reason to use two-way merging in merge sort. So whenever someone is asking you to write a merge sort program, what they will give you? They will give you the one array, correct? Let us take only smaller elements. Okay. Now this is a array they'll give you. And is it sorted, guys?
No.
Now so that means how many arrays you have currently?
1.
So what did I say yesterday is in order to implement a merge sort, we have to make use of two-way merging. So for two-way merging, in order to apply the two-way merging, what is the prerequisite?
Need 2 arrays.
2 arrays should have sorted.
Yeah, we need at least 2 arrays and that should be sorted order, correct? But in the merge sort, whenever the interviewer is asking, how many arrays he will give you? 1 or 2?
1.
Okay, 1. So now what I should do? I should do something to make it to 2 and then sort it, then I can apply, correct?
Okay.
Yeah, that is the reason we do the divide conquer. We do the divide conquer. Merge sort works on the principle of divide conquer and two-way merging. So why are you doing the divide conquer? Because you are given with one array. But in order to apply the two-way merging, you need at least 2 arrays, correct? So what I am doing is I am dividing this array. Now, let us take, how many elements are there in this one? 1, 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, right? Now, if I divide, now how do I divide? Now I will take, so the lowest index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I am doing is, middle position I am trying to find out. Middle position equal to 0 plus 5. What is 0 and 5? The indexes. This is a lower index and this is higher index. 0 plus 5 by 2. 5 by 2, which is nothing but 2. So what I will do, 0 to 2, one array I will do, and 3 to 5, another array. 0 to 2 means what? 1, 10, 8. Correct? This
8.
is one array. And then 3 to 5 means 6, 4, 3. Now, that means I have applied the divide conquer once, correct? Now, why am I doing the divide conquer? Because I want to apply two-way merging. In order to apply the two-way merging, I need to have two sorted arrays, first of all. So what did I do? I applied the technique of divide conquer. Divide conquer means you have to divide the given array. But how am I dividing? By taking the lower index plus higher index divided by 2. I am getting a middle position. So 0 to middle position and middle position to 1. I have divided the array. Now, do I have the 2 arrays?
Yes.
Do I have 2 arrays? But is it sorted?
No.
Okay. That means what I need to do? I need to, so now let's do the divide here also and divide here also. Now, if I divide this further, I want to divide this array further. Now, if I divide this one further, what is the lower index? 0 plus 2 by 2. 2 by 2, 1, correct? So that means 0 to 1, 1 comma 10. Or let us take, you have 10 in the first instance. You have 10 and you have 1. 10 and you have 1. Now you have 10 and 1. And then, see, if I do further dividing, 0 plus 2 by 2, lower index plus higher index by 2, 2 by 2, it is nothing but 1. So 0 comma 1 is one array and 2 is another array, 8. Now again 3 plus 5 divided by 2. Lower index is 3, higher index is 5. 3 plus 5, 8 by 2, which is nothing but 4. That means, okay, 3 to 4 is one array, 6 comma 4 and 3. See. Okay. Now now I have further divided the arrays. But do you guys tell me now, do I have the sorted arrays again?
No.
No.
No. Let's do further dividing. Now 0 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0. That means 0 is one array. 1. Now, do I need to sort? Do I need to divide this one? Can I able to divide? No, because this array is having only one element, correct? I'll put as it is. Okay. Now this one 3 plus 4 by 2. 7 by 2. 3. That means 3 is one array and 4 is another array. 4. Now another. Now you tell me. Now the arrays are. Now do you have multiple arrays?
Yes.
Now is it
Yes.
sorted arrays? Just think about it. Is the
Every
arrays are
array
sorted?
has single element.
Yeah, that means it is sorted only, right? If you have more than one element, then only you need to think of whether it is sorted or not. But if the array is containing only one element, can I blindly say that these arrays are sorted?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why I am bringing these two individual arrays? So whenever you are applying, whenever you're doing a merge sort, so for the given array, you are doing the divide conquer. After applying the divide conquer, when can you tell that the given arrays are sorted? Until you divide conquer, so that each array will have only one element, correct?
Yeah.
So that means till when I have to divide? Till I will get a individual arrays. Now, once I get a individual arrays, now why am I doing? I want the sorted arrays. Now, at this step, at this point of time, can you guys tell me all these arrays are sorted or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Now, can I apply the two-way merging now?
Yes.
Now, two-way merging means, see, these two arrays, 10, 9, 1, which is smaller? 1, correct? So
1.
that means, can I say, see, if this array, A array is having size 1, B array is having size 1. What is the resultant array size? 1 plus 1, 2, correct? Look at here, our program, if you look at our program, what is the size of C array? A array A dot length plus B dot length. Now assume that here, this is A array, this is B array. Length is 1, 1. What is the resultant array size?
2.
2. And how does the elements looks like? 10 less than 1. You will put 1 and 10, correct?
Yeah.
Now, this is another two-way merging. Can I do?
Yes.
6, 8. Can I do the another two-way merging?
Yeah.
3, 4. Done. Now, again, you have is this a sorted array?
Yes.
Is this a sorted array?
No.
6 and 8. It is sorted only, right?
Sorry. Yeah.
So, can I apply the two-way merging here again?
Yes. Yes.
This array is having 2, this array is having 2. What is the resultant array size? 4, correct? Now,
4,
how does
yeah.
the data looks like? 1, 6, 8,
6, 8,
10.
10.
Now, and then can I do the apply the two-way merging here on top of these two? What is the resultant array size? 2 plus 4, 6, correct?
Yeah.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, is it sorted?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is the merge sort. This is how the merge sort is going to work. Now, in the merge sort, generally in our academics in like engineering first year or MCA first year, you will be trying this one. We used to buttify or by heart the code, right? We don't need to do that now. So in the merge sort, the given array is a single array. So, but the principle, how do you do the merge sort? The merge sort works on the principle of two-way merging. In order to apply the two-way merging, you need two sorted arrays. So, but the given is one array. How can I get the sorted arrays? By using the divide conquer algorithm. That means using the divide conquer algorithm. What is the divide conquer algorithm? Taking the lower element plus lower index plus higher index divided by 2. And then 0 to m and m plus. So that means once you got the m value, 0 to m, you will create one array, m plus 1 to a dot length minus 1. You will create another array. I mean, you can create or you can just pass the indexes to differentiate the arrays. Now, but after doing that also, the arrays may be sorted or may not be sorted. But when can you guarantee that arrays are sorted? So you apply the divide conquer to the given array until the arrays becomes a individual elements. Once I get the individual elements in the array, I can confidently say that my arrays are in a sorted order because it has only one element, and then apply the two-way merging. Hope you get it, guys. Algorithm.
Yes.
Yeah. Now let me show you one thing. So now let's go to the Wikipedia. Now the question is, sir, whatever I have said is correct or not, you need to know, right? Go to Wikipedia and you guys look at this diagram, guys, carefully. Now on my screen, look at this. See, these are the different numbers. See, they are applying the two-way divide conquer. See, and then they are dividing to 2, and they are dividing until one element. Correct? Now the divide conquer is completed. Now they do two-way merging. Look at here. 5 and 6 it will become. Next 3 and 1. It will become 1 and 3. Correct? Okay, are they applying the two-way merging? Yes. Now 8 and 7. It will become 7 and 8. Now again 2 and 4. It will become single array. Now again I have 4 sorted arrays. Again apply the two-way merging. See, 1 and 6 is 1 and 5 is compared. And 5 and 3 is compared. Now 5 and 6. Now 7 and 2 will be compared. 2 will come. Now 7 and 4 will be compared. 4 will come. Now 7 and 8 will come. Now in this array, 1 and 2 will be compared. 1 will come. Right? And then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now, is this working the same way I have drawn the diagram?
Yes.
So this is about a merge sort. Now we will not be able to complete the program writing because of the time. So now can I say, do you guys know, once you got the individual arrays, do you know how to write a two-way merging?
Yes.
So that means, can I say half of the merge sort you already know?
Yeah.
You just need to know how to divide this arrays, correct? How to do the divide conquer, which we are going to see in the upcoming class. Any questions? And the quick sort is also works on the principle of divide conquer only. But quick sort does not do the middle element is nothing but 0 plus m by lower plus higher index by 2. It is not that. In the quick sort, we are going to look at the pivot element. So for each algorithm, we are going to look at the algorithm, convert it to a pseudo code, and then write the code. Any questions, anyone? Do you guys understand today's class?
Yeah.
Guys, yeah, go ahead. Yeah. So guys, today will be the last demo class. If you are interested, please do the enrollment. And if anybody is need the details where to do the enrollment, you can take a screenshot of this. In the chat already I have shared all the previous demo classes, and if you would like to enroll, please take a screenshot of this and then you can do the enrollment if you are interested. Now, if you want to watch the videos, you can also go to the YouTube channel. Yeah, go to this Ashok IT YouTube channel. You can see all my see data structures and algorithm. These are sixth session. This is 7th session. It will be added. See, session 1, session 2, session 3, session 4, session 5, session 6. Go to this Ashok IT YouTube channel and you can watch it. Not only these data structures, I do teach multi-threading, Java 8, 9, 11, collections, core Java and all. See, you can, whatever the multi-threading, you can see that these are the multi-threading videos. 6 videos are there. You can watch these 2 if you are interested. I will be teaching that how to create a thread, etc. by debugging a program, execute a framework, everything. Now, if you look at here, I have explained the Java 9 and 11 features. In this one, we are going to look at what is a JShell, what is a modularity, what is a process API improvements, what is a try with resource, etc. I have explained all of this. So you can watch, I mean, like whether you are enrolling or not, it's a different thing. But if you would like to improve your knowledge, just watch this demo classes of mine. I do not know about other tutors, how do they teach, but if you are interested, you can watch mine. My classes would be a practical sessions only. So any questions for the new joinees? Yeah. So if no questions, that's all today, guys. And if you're so from tomorrow onward, the link is going to be changed. And if you are interested, please do the enrollment.
Hi, sir. Actually, I have one question. Actually, I paid the fee yesterday, and they join in one WhatsApp group. But in this group, I did not get any update, any message.
So have you joined? Have you enrolled for collections or
Yeah,
DSA?
no. Actually, I went enrolled for this advanced DSA.
Only advanced DSA.
Yeah, and they join in 28 DSA 8 PM group. But in this group, I did not get anything in WhatsApp. So that's what. Just
Okay,
confirm to you. Can you join in latest group which we have?
So have you added? Have they added you to the 28 Java collections 8 a.m.?
Yes, they added in 28 DSA at the rate 8 AM.
Is it a DSA or advanced DSA?
No, DSA only. 28-DSA at the rate 8 AM. I confirmed to team that then they told that this is the only group, but I did not get any update in this group.
Okay. So just can you
Can-
put your name,
Yeah.
email ID,
Yes,
and
yes.
mobile number to me in the chat?
Can I keep it in chat only?
Yes, only to me.
Acha, okay.
Just ping in the Zoom chat.
Yes.
I will
Alright,
get
sir.
it verified. Even I am not there in that group. I don't know who has created that group.
Okay, sir.
So there
Sir,
is
mail
a
ID
group
also?
called 28 advanced DSA. There is a group, but let me check with them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you pinged the details to me?
Yes, sir. Just now. Sir, my name and my mail ID both. I pinged to you personally.
Yeah. So I got only your name and email. Can you ping me your mobile number too, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got it. Just a minute. I'll inquire this information to the
Yes, sir. Okay.
them, and then I will let you know.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions, anyone? But apart from that, are you guys able to understand the way I teach?
Yes, sir. It's so much very easy to way understand all the things.
Yeah. What about others?
Yes, sir, we are following.
Yeah, thanks. So if no question, that's all, guys. Yeah. So if you are interested, please do enroll. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day.